we start our class? Then all of you mute your videos, off your mic, but don't off your cameras, okay? First, shall we write dictation? Then please take your dictation book. All of you, take your dictation book and get ready.
Yes, teacher.
First one, first letter should be capital, okay? Beautifully write. Ready? Are you ready to write dictation? Okay. First one,
Yes, teacher.
write. Okay, write the first word. Rich. Going to what happened? Do you have any questions? Ravindu? Second one, creed.
Teacher, second මොකක්ද?
Second one, creed, darling. Creed. Creed. At the heme. In Sinhala, we are telling at the heme. Which? Creed. Sanula finish? Okay, very good. Third one, race. Race. Okay, Anita. Now write the third one. Race. Finish? Okay. Fourth one, island.
No.
Okay, right. Okay. Fourth one, island. And fifth one, land. Land.
Land.
Yes, land. Okay, good. Land after cast. Sixth one, cast. Write the next word, Govindu. Sixth one, cast. Okay, good. Continue, Vinegar. Very good. Okay. Next one, cast after, you have to write belong. Belong.
Teacher, seven මොකක්ද?
Seventh one, belong. Belong. Idea. Eighth one, harmony. Harmony. Next one, beautiful. Ninth one, beautiful. Last one, motherland. Motherland. Okay, children. Now you have to check your words. Now please look at the screen. Can you see the whiteboard, children? If anyone.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes,
Now.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now I will write the word. Okay. You have to check your dictations and you put right or wrong. Be honest, huh? Don't do wrong things. You can't erase and write again. Okay, children? I will write on the screen. You have to check and you can put right or wrong. Okay? Wrong things. You can't erase your words. Okay? It is not there. Then I will write the first one. You check on your screen. Okay? What is the first word of
How
your...
many words?
Okay. First one, look at the screen. Okay? First one. Can you see the whiteboard? Can you see?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now check your word. First one, rich. Second one, you can put right or wrong. Okay? Teacher will write. Don't erase. Be honest. Okay? Parents want to check. You can do this. You have to corrections. Put right or wrong. Like that you have to write. First letter should be capital. You can check. Then after tell me how many marks you got. Okay? 10 out of, you have to say the teacher. Now you are checking. I think you will check. Okay? 8th one, 7th one, harmony.
Teacher, seven ones below.
Ah, yes, very good. Sorry, very good, Sanula. Forgot to type. Okay. Don't erase. Be honest. Okay. Here our dictation. Rich, freed, race, island, land, caste, belong, harmony, beautiful, and motherland. Now I will ask one by one. Okay. You have to tell your marks. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now I will ask, first I will ask, Vinuga, tell me how many marks you got. 10 out of, don't be shy, yeah? Tell me your marks, Vinuga. This is your first. 7. Very good. Give a clap to Vinuga. Others also. Clap your friend. Very good, Vinuga. Now tell me, Rehendu, how many marks you got today? You also your first day today, okay?
10 out of 9.
Very good. What is the wrong word, Rehendu? Only one you got wrong. Wrong one?
Freed.
Freed. C-R-E-E-D. Now tell me, Dovindu, how your marks? How many marks you got, Dovindu? Rehendu, now off your camera mic. After you talk, you have to mute, okay? Otherwise, class will disturb. Dovindu, how many marks, Dovindu? I can't hear.
5.
Never mind, okay? Next day, you have to take 6 or more than 5 you have to take, okay? Give a clap to Dovindu also. Very good, Dovindu. Now tell me Onitha. Vinuga, Dovindu, Onitha. Today, new children, okay? Onitha, tell me. They are not coming last week. Onitha, tell me how. Very good. Excellent. Give a clap to Onitha also. What is the wrong one, Onitha? Onitha. You went?
Island.
Island. I-S. Did you write S? Maybe you miss the letter. Okay, never mind. Next day, write again. Then tell me, Setuja, tell me. How many marks, Setuja?
10 out of 10.
Excellent. Very good. Give a big clap to Setuja. 10 out of 10. Then tell me, Sanula. How many marks you got?
7.
1. Okay, never mind. Next day, you have to try more than 7. Okay, give a clap to Sanula also. Very good. Now tell me, Sasinu. How many marks you got?
10.
Your best friend and you got 10 out of 10. Excellent. Setuja and Sasinu. Okay. Next day, all of you try to get 10. Okay. Today, never mind. This is your first day. Okay. Then close your dictation book and put it in the another place. Now take your master guide. Now dictation part is over. Okay. Then, but next week, you have to practice the dictation. What are the dictation? I sent to you. Provinces, okay? Next week, you have to practice provinces. How many provinces have? Next day, you have to write only 9 words. And 10th one, what is the 10th one? Province, okay? Teacher forgot to type that in your picture message. First word is province. Second one, northern province. The third one, north central province. Like that, you can continue. Okay, you have to practice 10 words. Province is the first word. Okay, remember next week dictation. Okay, then that part also you have to write in your writing book. Next week dictation you should write in your writing book. Okay, after the class you can write. Now take your master guide book. Turn the first page. Again I will teach the first page also. Okay. Okay. Read the first one. Our motherland, Sri Lanka. Here today, 3 new children are there. That's why I teaching again. Okay. Vinuga, Dovindu, and Onitha. Okay. Look at the pictures. Your master guidebook. First one, did you complete? Our. Onitha, tell me what you wrote. Our. Can you fill the gap? Onitha, I asked from Onitha. Our. Can you fill the gaps, Onitha? Do you know the answer? Wait, Davindu, wait. Anita, you want to talk with the teacher? Anita, you are not there. Can you on your mic? Otherwise, I can't hear.
Our motherland is free.
Okay, Davindu. Davindu, tell me. Our motherland.
Our motherland is Sri Lanka.
Very good. Good. Huh? Next one, tell me. Vinuga, tell me. What is the second one, Vinuga? Davindu, off your mic, Davindu. Vinuga, I can't hear. You have to unmute. On your mic.
Belongs. Belongs.
Read again. You have to fill the full sentence. Read the full sentence, Vinuga.
This land belongs to you.
Belongs to you. This land belongs to you. You know that? Did you know the Sinhala meaning, Vinuga? Do you know the Sinhala meaning? Who's know the Sinhala meaning? Anyone can know? Then unmute and tell the Sinhala meaning.
Idea.
Who say? Sasinu, I say.
Idea.
No, wait, very good, Sasinu. But I asked the full meaning. Who can say the full meaning of that sentence? Setuja, can you tell the Sinhala meaning? Setuja. You know the Sinhala meaning?
The land belongs
This land, okay? This land belongs to you. Do you know the Sinhala meaning? Okay, I will tell. First one, wait. Look at the, yes, Setuja. Mute Setuja off your mic. If you want, you can write in Sinhala meaning also. In the book, you can write, okay? First one, our motherland is Sri Lanka. Do you know that? Ape Maubima, Sri Lanka. Okay? Second one, this land belongs to you. Me Bhumiya Aiti Oyata. This land belongs to you. Third one, who can tell Vinuga all? Davindu, tell me. Davindu. Third one.
this land belongs to me.
This land belongs to me. Can you guess the Sinhala meaning? Can you guess? Davindu. This land belongs to me. What is the Sinhala meaning? Do you know the Sinhala meaning? Yes. Me bhumiya aiti oyatath aiti matath aiti. Okay? Me bhumiya matath aiti. Okay? Belongs to me. Okay. Next one. Read the next word sentence. Sanula read. Then after look at the next part. That is the main part. Directions. Here directions. How many directions we have? We have 8 directions. Okay? 8 directions. We'll see. What is the top one? Can you see the whiteboard? Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Then look at
Yes,
the whiteboard. I ask one by one. You have to tell me the answers. Okay? Tell me. I asked the new children. Vinuga, tell me. What is this direction? What is the name of this direction? Vinuga, tell me. This part, what you want to write?
North.
Excellent. Very good, Vinuga. North,
North.
not right. Then teacher will write. Look at the screen, okay? Then tell me, next one I will draw. What is this part? Tell me, Onita, tell me.
South.
South, Onita. Excellent. Very good. South. Okay, this part south. Then I will draw next one. Tell me, Dovindu, what is this direction?
Eastern.
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 No, here, Puta, Eastern is a
East.
province. Okay?
Teacher.
East, yes, you should write east, not eastern. Dovindu, don't write eastern. East is the answer. Eastern mean province. Okay, one of province. East. Okay. Then I will draw another direction. First, you have to draw like this main 4 directions. Main 4 directions you have to draw like this. What is this? Tell me, Vinuga. What is this direction, Vinuga? Oh, what is this direction? Tell me, Sasinu. Sasinu, what is the answer here? Wait, I will tell. Here, look at the screen. North is there and east also there. Between, what want to write? North.
Northeast.
Ah, that's correct. North here, east here. Between north and east, what is the answer, children? Northeast. Like that, you have to practice, okay? Can you understand? That is the shortcut, okay? Northeast. Wait, sorry. Okay, very good. Then we'll see the next one. I will draw this part. Now tell me the answer. Setuja. What is this answer? Here see, east also there. South also there. Between the east and south, what is the answer, children?
Southeast.
Very good. Excellent. Southeast. Like that, you have to practice, okay? Southeast. Can you see the screen? Okay, look at the screen. Now we'll see the next one. What is this direction?
Southwest.
Yes. Last one we'll draw now. What is the answer? Who can tell?
Northwest. Northwest.
Very good. Northwest. Very good, children. Northwest. That part is over. Okay. Then can you see the directions? West, we'll see. We can write.
Yes, teacher.
Is that good? Now can you write the all directions in your book?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good, children.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now directions also over. Now go to look at the down one. Make words. You can write easy. CH, WH, SH. You can write that easily. Okay. Then I'm not discussing about that. Now go to provinces. Do you know the provinces? I'm not writing. Okay. Then you can. I will stop that whiteboard now. Very good. Ravindu, North. Anita, you should talk with the teacher. Unmute and talk. Otherwise, we can't hear Anita. Okay, very good, Dovindu. First one, North Province. Second one, what is the second one? Tell me. Vinuga, tell me. Second one.
South.
Wait, we'll see. We will write that one also. Then you can understand easily. I will take whiteboard again, okay? Look at the whiteboard. Look at the screen. Teacher will write the provinces also. We'll see. Look at the board. You should write the topic between the lines, okay? Provinces. Like that, okay? Okay, first one. What is the first one, children? Northern.
North
North province, yes. Okay, northern. Second one. What is the second one?
North Central.
Very good. Have you seen that picture message? Teacher sent that Sri Lankan map, beautiful Sri Lankan map. Have you seen that picture message? Children?
Central Province.
Yes, Central Province. Next week dictation, okay? Here. Fourth one.
Northwestern.
Teacher.
Why?
Third one province. No sea.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Sasino. Are you Sasino? Not?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Good, Sasino. Fifth one, tell me. What is the fifth one? Western Province.
Western Province.
Yes. Sixth one.
Eastern
Yes.
Province.
Eastern Province. Can you see the whiteboard? Okay.
Yes,
Seventh one.
teacher.
Very good.
Yes, teacher.
Uva. Next one, seventh one.
Sabaragamu Province.
Province.
Yes.
Sabaragamu Province.
U after Sabaragamu. Pro.
SABARGAMU.
Last one.
Southern Province.
What?
Goa Province.
Southern, okay? Southern.
Southern Province.
Yes, South, don't say South, Southern Province. Okay. Then next week dictation, province also want to write, okay? Here see the provinces, northern, north. Okay, good. This part also you should write in your writing book, okay? Then we can come again to the class, okay.